The energy has been very heavy. It's no secret. So I wanted a way to bring more of that gratitude and joy and peace in, like my entire channel is about. And as much as I resist it, every single time I feel this way and come back to meditation, it does the trick. So today I thought I would bring you guys along with me for this guided meditation for peace, joy, and gratitude. And I promise you that by the end of this meditation, whether you're new or a seasoned pro, you will certainly feel the difference in your body and in your mind. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and I created this entire channel to give you everyday practical ways to understand yourself and the world around you to build a better life full of joy and peace and happiness and love and abundance. And we do that here through self-mastery and spirituality. So if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. And if you'd like to go even deeper on a more personal journey, check out my app, Limitless You, in the description below. Oh, and real quick, before we dive in, just give me 30 seconds. I want to give a shout out and thanks to today's sponsor, Zenly Home, and specifically their futon mattress, which, as you can see, I am sitting on right now. It is perfect for this meditation, and it's what I've been using every time I like to come outside because I'm not a big fan of the scratchiness of the grass and the bugs and everything like that. So this is absolutely perfect. I'd say it's about 2 to 3 inches thick, so it's not too bulky, but it feels very, very soft and comfortable. This has been amazing for not only meditation, but when I want to get outside for a few minutes and enjoy the nice air. It's 75 degrees today and absolutely beautiful. So I love to come out here and just lay on it and relax. You can bring it camping, you can bring it to the beach. It's perfect for outdoors when you're a little more bougie like me. I'd like to suggest that if you need a specific dedicated space for your meditation practices and for your rejuvenation, to check out this specific mattress. They are giving all of my subscribers 10% off, and I will include the link in the description below. All right, so let's begin. Settle into a comfortable position, seated or lying down, however feels right for your body today. Rest your hands gently on your knees or lap, palms open and relaxed. We will begin with 3 slow, intentional breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Again, breathe in and release. One more time, fill your lungs up completely and let it all go. Allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm now. With each exhale, feel your body growing heavier and more at ease. There is nowhere to be right now, nothing to fix, nothing to figure out, just this moment and the simple miracle of your breath. Let your shoulders drop. Soften the space between your eyebrows. Unclench your jaw. You are here. You are present. And that is enough. Gently turn your attention toward the things in your life that fill you with appreciation. Think about your body, the quiet, tireless work it does every single day without you asking. Your heartbeat, your breath, the way your hands can reach out and touch the world. Now, think about the space around you, your shelter, your comfort, the small, familiar things that make a place feel like yours. Who in your life makes you feel seen, felt, held? Let their face arise softly in your mind. Breathe into that gratitude. Let it settle in your chest like warmth. Now let yourself wander toward joy. What lights you up? What makes time disappear? What activity, place, or person makes you feel most like yourself? Picture it clearly. Let the memory or imagination of it come into full color. Feel it in your chest. Let it expand. Let it move down through your arms, into your hands, down through your belly, your legs, all the way to the soles of your feet. This is yours. This joy belongs to you. Breathe it in. Let your whole body know it. This feeling, this aliveness is not something outside of you. It lives within you. It is available to you in any moment you choose to call it forward. With every breath, it grows a little brighter, a little clearer, a little steadier. You are allowed to feel good. You are allowed to feel whole. I will offer a few words now. Say them with me if you would like, aloud or quietly within. We will repeat each affirmation twice. I am present. I am present. I am enough. I am enough. I am grounded. I am grounded. I am open. I am open. I am healing. I am healing. I belong here.
belong here. I choose joy. I choose joy. Take a minute and feel everything you're feeling right now. I'll give you a minute to explore and to rest in peace, joy, and gratitude. When you are ready, take 3 gentle breaths to bring yourself back. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Begin to notice the sounds around you. The feeling of the surface beneath you. The temperature of the air on your skin. Slowly blink your eyes open and take a moment before you move. Notice the light. Notice how your body feels. Carry this stillness with you as you step into your day or as you rest for the night. You do not have to rush. You do not have to perform. You can simply move through the world as you are, calm, open, and full of quiet light. And remember to always be limitlessly yourself.